Pergola canopy fabric fading unevenly in sun-exposed areas is super frustrating because it messes with the whole vibe of your outdoor space. So when you're dealing with this fading issue, first off, pick a canopy fabric that's made for sun resistance, like those with UV protection. Always check the label or product description before buying. Next, try to rotate or flip the canopy regularly if the design allows it, so the sun doesn't hit the same spots all the time. If you can, add a little shade with plants or an extra awning to protect the fabric from non-stop sun exposure. Cleaning your canopy gently using mild soap and water also helps keep the fabric in good shape and prevents dirt from speeding up fading. Another cool trick is to use fabric protectors or sprays designed to block UV rays. They can seriously stretch out the life of your canopy. When you're not using it, especially during super sunny months, take it down and store it somewhere cool and dry. And lastly, consider lighter colors because dark fabrics soak up more heat and fade faster. One of the biggest mistakes with pergola canopy fabric fading unevenly is not choosing a fabric with proper UV protection, which just guarantees quick fading. Fix this by always buying from brands that highlight UV resistance. Another common slip-up is neglecting to clean the canopy regularly. Dirt and grime can actually speed up fading, so keeping it clean with gentle soap and water is key. The third mistake is leaving the canopy up all year round without any rotation or added shade. This causes certain areas to get way more sun than others, so flipping it around or adding some extra shade can really balance out the fading. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to outdoor projects. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with people needing work, making sure everyone gets exactly what they want without the usual hassle.